Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today we're going to work in my vacation binder. So I didn't get to this one last month because I ended up getting sick and so I missed some videos for a week. So I brought a little extra towards it instead of I had my 100 from last month and I added 60 to it. So we're bringing 160 in this month. And since we had a large chunk, I thought that I would go ahead and I'm going to do $40 of it. We're going to start with, and we're going to play that in our Scooby-Doo Mystery Saver Mystery Hand Color Dice Rolling. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is a bigger savings. And so I thought it'd be fun to kind of bring this a little extra. That way we don't finish everything and we can just put a little extra into this one so it doesn't take us quite as long to do. So let's pick a color at random. Let's go with a pretty little light pink there. And the way this one works, it's a double dice game, but instead of rolling two six-sided die, you roll a color dot die. And then whatever you get, you add the extra it says up here. So I am just playing with the numbers it comes with. It also has the option to put your own numbers for each one. And this is in a book of savings. It's the Scooby-Doo Mystery Saver from The Budgeted Life. I got this off of her Etsy account, so she'll be linked down below. But all right, well, let's see what we're going to save today. Like I said, I got 40 set off here to the side, and then I've got the 120 back here, so we'll buy our change back in the end. All right, so we've got orange and 4. So if we get one that we've already landed on, I will save an extra $1. So that one, the girls playing jump rope with Scooby-Doo, is 6 plus $1, so $7. So just like this, and then we can move it forward. So 5, 6, 7. Goodness, that took a minute. All right, we got orange again, and we got 3. So Scooby looking scared is 4 plus 1, so $5. Put our 5 back and grab our 10. Orange and 4 again, which we already have gotten, so that's $1. All right, red 4. Is the mystery machine with the whole gang inside. That's $10. So like I said, this will go pretty fast because this does have some higher numbers in it. We got red and 1. A little bit of piece magic there for $3 and $1 or 2, so 5. So there's this one, and then there's a version that's just a double dice in here as well. All right, so we've got purple and 6. So we've got the 5 flowers. What is that? That is $3. Oh, I think I did that wrong. Hold on. Let me double check myself here because I think I messed up. All right, so they are 6, 7. Got it again for 8. Got this one. I've got to double cross these because I cannot hardly see that pink. So let's go for a darker pink. Okay, so that was $1 because we got it twice. And then 7. That one is 4, 5. The mystery machine is 10. And then we had the peace sign and flowers. That's 2, 4. So I did get ahead of myself there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for that. And then this one, which is the 5 flowers, is 3 and 1. So that's 4. So let's put a 1 back and grab a 5. Okay. Sorry, friends. I mean, it wouldn't have been a big deal. I would have just saved a little extra, but all right. Red and 2. So we got the 5 flowers again. That's 3, 4, 5. So what do we got left? We got 4, so we'll go one more time. Yellow and 6 is the mystery machine, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we'll grab a 10 from back here. Okay, perfection. So let's see how much we ended up saving in here to start us out. And then we'll get started just mystery saving it throughout. Okay. Because I got all these 20s, we need to condense that. All right, so 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we brought $49 in. And then what do we have in our Scooby-Doo savings? Let's completely condense it, and then we will get started. I know. It's a messed up way of doing it, but that's me. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. Nice. 81, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop, only one trace off. 86, 87, 88. Nice. Year I was born. Good year. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and play the way we normally play in here, which is I'm going to roll a 6-sided die and a 4-sided die. Whatever the 6-sided die is which game we will jump to, and then the 4-sided die is where we'll move around within it. All right, so we're going to start out on number 2. This is a new one I brought in from Budgeting for Me. I got this off of her Etsy account. And we got a 1, so let's see. I like it because it's got pink flamingos and pineapples. And pineapples, if you are a psych fan, are the international sign of friendship. So, all right, so we got $6 to get that one started. Where to next? 4. This one is from Beezy's Things, and this is a freebie on her coffee. So we got 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, $5. Let's put 1 back and grab a 10. And this will save us $49 for that one. And this is all going towards my vacation fund. So, all right, 4 again. And we got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. $2. Number 3. This one is from Divine Savings Co. And this cute little Snoopy saver we've had in here since I started, I think. So it's been a minute. All right, so 2. So we're going to start up here in this top corner and go 1, 2 for $2. Number 6, our Scooby-Doo savings. So let's see, where are we going? We've got a 5 and blue. Blue 5 we've already done. So we'll put $1 and we'll go again. And then we've got green 6. Okay. The girls jump roping with Scooby plus 3. So the girls are 6. And then the 3 is 9. We'll put $1 back for 10. All right. Where to next? Up to number 1. Ooh, hold on. Throwing my money away. All right. Number 1. This one is our Fearless Fox from LaineyBugBudgets. And we got a 1. So we'll scratch the first one off. Got a 5. So maybe I could have brought a little more in. Well, we would have had $10 more, but it's okay. All right, we got Scooby again, number 6. All right, we got red 2, which we've already done for $1. And blue 5 we've already done, so $1. Yellow 3, the mystery machine. And that is $10. So let's put our 10 back and grab a 20. We're definitely making some progress on this one today, which is super awesome. Oop. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. All right. Spot number 4. Got a 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we got 4. Let's put 1 back and grab a 5. So I'd love to know down below, do you guys like these kind of games where you jump around, or do you like to just kind of go in a line? I like both, so I like to do a mix of the two. All right, budgeting for me again. We got 3. 1, 2, 3. 9. So let's put $1 back and grab a 10. Got some big numbers in this one. And it's a mystery save. I'm not sure what it's going to save us. All right, spot number 3. We've got our Snoopy here again, and we got 2. So 1, 2, $3. So let's put 2 back and grab a 5. If you hear any screaming noises in the background, my husband's watching a scary movie. Because I'm doing this and I don't like scary movies, so he watches them by himself. All right. Spot number 4, we got 2, 1, 2. All right, we got 2. So let's go 3, 4, 5. 5 is 10 and 10 is 20. Grab our last 20 out of there. Spot number 1. This is the one I feel like we could maybe finish today, but I don't have high hopes right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'd have to get a lot of 1s. Well, a couple more. And we're starting to already get down there on the money. All right, 4. Let's put 6 back and grab a 10. Number 2. This one's getting a lot of love, our new one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $7. Got a mix of some of the more expensive ones and then the lower budget ones. All right, yay, we get to hit them all. Spot number 5, we have Race to the Finish. So 4. Our little walrus is staying in the lead. So let's grab a 1 and put a 5 in. Spot number 2. Man, this one's getting lots of love today. 1, 2, 3. 8. So let's put 2 1s back and grab a 10. Either this is going to be a really big saver or we're just hitting all the big numbers on that one, because I feel like we have got nothing but big numbers. Oh, we got 2 again and 1. I spoke too soon. We got a 3. Number 4. We got a 3. So 1, 2, 3. $1. Spot number 5, our Race to the Finish. We got a 5. We get our little cheetah on the board. So let's put a 5 back and grab a 10. Spot number 2 again. 2. 1, 2. $2. Number 3. And we got 2, 1, 2. So $3. Number 2 again. Oh my goodness. I hope we don't finish them all right away. So 1, 2. Oh, I like that one. He's got little sunglasses on, a little pineapple there. So 4, let's put a 1 back and grab a 5. That is so crazy. Spot number 1. Got 1 for $5. Number 2. 1, 2, 3 for 1. And then if we get a 1 or a 2, we will finish it. Number 3. We got 2, so 1, 2, which the presents are roll a D6. We got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me grab an extra dollar out of my spare. So there's our extra dollar. So, I really want to finish one today. Should I cheat to win? Oh, I guess not. We'll just let it go. Even though I don't want to, I'll let it go. All right, well, let's go ahead and see what we've got in each of our envelopes now. In spot number 1, our Fearless Fox from LaineyBugBudgets. We have $10, $15, $20, $21, $22. So close on that one. Spot number 2, we just brought in and only has 1 left. So let's see, what did we get for this one? We've got 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40, and 1 left. Spot number 3, this one's still got a ways to go. We've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, $47. Spot number 4 from BZ's Things. We've got 20, 21, 22, $23. Spot number 5 from Nurse Court Budgets. We've got Race to the Finish with 10, 20, 21. And last but not least, we have our Scooby-Doo Mystery Hand Dice Roll game. And that now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $110. Crazy. That one is going to be a big saver. But all right, that was it for our fun little vacation savings. Very sadly, kind of. We didn't finish any yet this month. So next month, though, I think we got 2 of them we will definitely be finishing for some vacation savings. So I'll have to have some backups ready to go for this one. But alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.